Is this a daily driver?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes, sir. I drive every day.
And you can have people in the back seat for your family.
Yeah.
All right, there you go.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
There we go, nice. So you have your door speaker amp.
My highs and my door speakers.
Okay,
DSP.
got it.
16 volts on this side and 20 volts on my tweeters.
Okay,
2 separate charging systems.
got it. And you still have, is this a daily driver?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes, sir. I drive every day.
And you can have people in the back seat for your family. All right, there you go. I like it. Did a good job sealing it off too, all the way around the seat pillar.
Oh yeah, foaming it up, full of sand there, steady adding sand there to it for better pressure.
Yes, sir. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Nice. That looks good, and you have a beauty panel. Be able to see into it. Did you build this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Looks good.
Those fabrications and CB supply.
Okay. And they built into the vehicle. Wow. Nice. Did a good job.
Sliding box, sliding wall.
Okay.
7K's wire, right at half on.
All right. Yeah, come look. This is nice, and you got your back seats. Okay. Did a good job. Well, I like that. That's a good idea, the way they brace the roof here.
Exactly.
Wow, that's solid.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That helped a lot.
Yes, sir.
So could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Okay. DJ Mastermind 252. I have two team 18s on 2 7Ks wide at half a home. I have an 8/8 air bounce and 2 center tweeters.
Okay. Nice. Any SPL tests?
Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
What's the bandwidth like?
More of like 18 to 40.
Okay. Really low. Lower frequency. Okay. Nice. Real windy. Any bandwidth, like your tunings? You know the tunings on the box?
Not really. More probably like 24. It's a 6-order wall. It's 24 to probably like 48.
40. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Sorry about the questions. I just like the specs.
Oh, definitely.
Looks good.
Trying to find yourself.
You're good, man. You do your thing.
I'm gonna show you them too.
Okay.
It's your boy, TJ. You do no verse on my shit. I kill. I'm talking true A-Town trap shit, y'all stay in there. Get the motherfucking
Is your vehicle off? Just making sure I'm being safe.
Right.
I was watching the voltage.
Oh no, this is my this on my 24 side right here, and then turn around, I had 2 alternators running on the 16 volts.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure you had it on.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
All right.
Side nigga, think I ain't about that action, wanna bet my nigga. Pull up on your set and make a mess, little nigga.
Good bandwidth. I appreciate it, man. Thank you for showing me. Your voltage is pretty good too.
Sounds good.
Thank you. Appreciate the demo, man.
No problem.